Alright, we're live for break number 88. This is 2014 Panini Prizm's Football Jumbo Hobby Box. Be a couple minutes while we get everybody here. There's the video. Get your teams moved over. What's up, Christopher? There's the teams. And now I'll wait a minute or two. What's up, Tony? Alright guys, we're looking at 12 packs of 12 cards. We got 4 autographs, 36 rookies, 3 base Prizms, 1 base Panini Prizm, 1 base Camo Prizm, 1 base Pink Prizm, 1 rookie Prizm, 1 rookie Panini Prizm, 5 additional Prizm parallels, 7 inserts, and 2 short print rookie photo variations. Alright guys, 9:01. I told everybody 9 p.m., so I think we're good to go. Let's open this bad boy. Sorry about that, guys. Baby's a little cranky right now. Hopefully he's not too loud for you. Mama's doing her best mama magic to turn his attitude around. Let's give it a tiny little shuffle. Alright guys, good luck. Let's find those scissors. 2014 Panini Prizm Jumbo. First pack kid reporter card. If you guys want them, just tell me. Where's my stack of junk? There it is. Jared Aberdeus, Packers rookie. Tom Savage, Texans rookie. Jake Matthews, rookie Falcons. And we got a Jared Aberdeus autograph. Get my regular sleeves out. Rookie for the Packers, Jared Aberdeus. This one is numbered to 150. And we got a Prizm of C.J. Mosley, a rookie Ravens, James Lofton Packers, Roger Staubach Cowboys, J.J. Watt Texans, Eric Dickerson Rams, Bruce Smith Bills. This is full of legends. Torrey Smith Ravens, Tom Rathman 49ers. And see it for the first pack. Bring up these teams. Packers, Brian Wentz. He got the first hit. Congrats, Brian. Isaiah Crowell, Browns rookie. Devontae Adams, Packers rookie. Yeah, die cut coming up. Kyle Van Noy, Lions rookie. Russell Wilson, Air Marshals, Seahawks. Crazy boy. It's a nice die cut there. Going out to Ephraim Martin. Another die cut. Hands team for the Steelers. This is Antonio Brown. That one is also going out to Ephraim. Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Pierre Thomas, Saints. Kiko Alonso, Bills. Victor Cruz, Giants. Eli Manning, Giants. And Brett Favre, Vikings. Alright, pack 3. Kyle Fuller, Bears, rookie. Jason Verrett, Chargers, rookie. Josh Huff, Eagles, rookie. And we got a hands team parallel for the Redskins. Pierre Garcon, followed by another parallel, or another die cut. Redskins, that one's going out to Tony Mitchum. This next die cut for the Saints, Jimmy Graham. Going to Christopher Saunders. And I got Marquise Colston, Saints. Toby Gerhart, Jaguars. Jaquiz Rogers, Falcons. DeMarcus Ware, Broncos. Greg Jennings, Vikings. Scott Tolzien, Packers. Joseph Randall, Cowboys. Puppy trapped. Kevin Norwood, Seahawks rookie. Brandon Coleman, Saints rookie. Taylor Lewin, Titans rookie. Ooh, there's a pretty one for the Chiefs. Going out to Tony Mitchum. D Ford camo auto. A rookie autograph. It's numbered 200 there. You didn't miss that one, Tony. First hit was Jared Abbrederis, Packers rookie autograph, number to 150. Tony, if you don't collect Chiefs, I would trade break credit for that. If you're interested, we could chat later. Got an intros die cut, Calvin Johnson, headed to Anthony Grimes. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Kenny Stills, Saints. Kurt Warner, Rams. Justin Tuck, Raiders. Sounds good, Tony. Devin Hester, Falcons. Chris Carter, Vikings. And Trent Richardson, Colts. Alright, 2 more autographs left. Plenty of packs left. D'Anthony Thomas, rookie Chiefs. CJ Fedoritz, Texans rookie. Aaron Murray, Chiefs rookie. Jeremy Hill, Bengals rookie. This one is a Fresh Faces die cut for the Bengals, going out to John Meadows. Next card is a Prizm of Allen Robinson for the Jaguars. This is the gold version. Third autograph coming up. This one's going to go to the Jaguars, and it is a rookie autograph of Telvin Smith, a camo Prizm. Telvin is numbered 150. For the Jaguars, going out to Jeff Davis. Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Tyler Eifert, Bengals. Paul Warfield, Browns. Joe Flacco, Ravens. Jerry Rice, 49ers. Baby, why don't you go play with toys instead of tickling my feet? Next pack, Jimmy Garoppolo, Panthers rookie. Blake Bortles, there's my trash. Blake Bortles, Jaguars rookie. Aaron Donald, Rams rookie. Johnny Manziel, Browns rookie. Nate Washington, camo Prizm for the Titans. Not numbered. Von Miller for the Broncos. Chris Long, Rams. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Cecil Shorts III, Jaguars. Bob Greasy, Dolphins. Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Phillip Rivers, Chargers. Next pack, Stephen Tuitt, Steelers rookie. Cody Latimer, Broncos rookie. Paul Richardson, Seahawks rookie. Jerome Bettis, Steelers, Prizm card, non-numbered one. Darqueze Dennard, another Prizm card for the Bengals. That one is also not numbered. Vincent Jackson, Buccaneers. Dwayne Bowe, Chiefs. Dante Culpepper, Vikings. Cordarrelle Patterson, Vikings. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. LaShawn McCoy, Eagles. And 5 packs left. Yeah, another Johnny Manziel. Looks like we got the short print variation of him. I didn't pay enough close attention. I don't know which is which. But for the Browns, I think you got both versions there. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. Good rookie there. Going up to Tony Leslie. Darqueze Dennard, Bengals rookie. I like these cards. Head-to-head, greatest of all time. Emmitt Smith, the Cowboys, and Walter Payton for the Bears. We will be randoming that one off when we're done. This is a pretty cool one. Believe the Hype, Johnny Manziel with the Browns. I always like the Believe the Hype die cuts. Good looking card there. That is a pretty brand. This one's pretty too. Michael Irvin, Cowboys Prizm card. Gonna go to Christopher Saunders. It's numbered out of 125. Yeah, good call, Chris. Not a good one to believe the hype on. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Chad Henne, Jaguars. Marshall Faulk, Rams. Jordan Cameron, Browns. Monty Ball, Broncos. Riley Cooper, Eagles. And next pack. Craig Patton, where's your Wi-Fi? Grab that free Wi-Fi from McDonald's. Teddy Bridgewater, Vikings rookie. Taj Boyd, Jets rookie. Troy Nicholas, Cardinals rookie. Nate Washington, Titans Prizm card. Michael Irvin, another one of him. This one, different version, the gold Prizm. Nice looking card for the Cowboys. Paul Richardson with the red Prizm rookie card. That's going to be numbered to 125. Headed out to Ephraim Martin. Demaryius Thomas, Cowboys. Denarius Moore, Raiders. Greg Olson, Panthers. Warren Sapp, Buccaneers. And Jamal Charles, Chiefs. Tony Romo, Cowboys. 3 packs left. Still got one autograph somewhere in these 3. Bruce Ellington, 49ers rookie. Jordan Matthews, Eagles rookie. Kadeem Carey, Bears rookie. Now, there's a cool one. Derek Carr, gold Prizm for the Raiders, rookie card. Rookie Prizm card. Mohamed Sanu, Bengals, another Prizm card. And we got 150 points coming up. 150 points. We'll be randoming that one off when we are done. Anquan Bolden, 49ers. Who's that Raiders? Jonathan Martinez. Yeah, it was a good card for you. Warren Moon, Oilers. That one will go to the Titans. Cam Newton, Panthers. Dez Bryant, Cowboys. Steve Smith Jr., Ravens. Matt Forte, Bears. And 2 packs left. John, I'm with you, man. Late about everywhere. It's hard to be on time anywhere with the baby. I pack up the whole house every time we leave. But the replay will be available immediately, and I'll rewind the hits for you. Jimmy Graham, Saints. Jake Locker, Titans. Chris Borland. Knocked over a card over here. Chris Borland, 49ers rookie. Anthony Barr, Vikings rookie. Bishop Sankey, Titans rookie. John Riggins Redskins Prizm card. We got Coney Ely Panthers rookie Prizm card. Dan Hampton with the Bears. Brian Hoyer Browns. Santana Moss Redskins. Frank Gore 49ers. Hakeem Nicks Colts. And last pack, let's see if Panini replaced our 4th autograph with those points. I don't like that when they do that. See a couple cool things probably down in there. Ryan Shazier Steelers rookie card. Brandon Cooks Saints rookie card. Marquise Lee Jaguars rookie. Jimmy Garoppolo rookie fresh faces with the Patriots. It's a cool card going out to John Meadows. Some say quarterback of the future. I don't know about that one. There's a quarterback of the present, though, right after it. Nice looking Tom Brady gold Prizm. Another cool Prizm card. This one, the blue version, rookie for the Seahawks. This one is numbered to 50. Good card there. Carson Palmer Cardinals. Michael Vick Jets. Adrian Peterson Vikings. Maurice Jones Drew Raiders. Calvin Johnson Lions. Brent Seelick Eagles. And that's it. They replaced our 3rd autograph with Panini points. Or our 4th autograph. Autographs we did pull Telvin Smith Camo Prizm for the Jaguars. Rookie number 2/150. D Ford rookie autograph for the Chiefs. Camo Prizm card number to 200. And Jared Abbrederis rookie for the Packers. Autograph number to 150. Prizm card. Alright guys, we're gonna random off this greatest hit, greatest of all time die cut, and then the 150 points right afterwards. Let me open that up, and then we will do that. Alright, we have Cowboys on the left, Bears on the right for this greatest of all time die cut of Emmitt Smith and Walter Payton. Pretty cool cards. We're going to go to random for it. Cowboys Bears, we need a dice roll of 4 or more. And we got 6, so we're going to randomize these 2 teams 6 times. Good luck to you two. I mean, look, 2 people got the team, and this is all for nothing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time coming up. Good luck. 6. Cowboys take this Emmitt Smith card. Cowboys. So Christopher Saunders to take that Emmitt Smith, Walter Payton. Good card, Chris. Let me write that down. Yeah, John, those point cards, I've just recently looked into them. You can get some really good those points. You should use them or sell them. Do something with them because they're not worthless. Give me something to write on. There you go. Cowboys. Get the Smith Payton. Alright, now raffling off the 150 points, or randomizing it off. Get this up. What do you got, buddy? Give me that. Thank you. No audio, Christopher. You get that. Cowboys win. I don't know if you can read that. Cowboys get the Smith and Peyton card. It's sloppy, but it's just for me, so hopefully you understand that. Looks like you did. Alright, here's all the names for 150 points. I want 4 or higher on the dice roll. I've got a 7. Oh, my audio went out? That's weird. I might have to restart my phone. Anyway, we're going for that. And I rolled a 7. I might have to reset my phone or something. Thanks for letting me know. 3, 4, 5, 6, last time 7. Anthony Gabaldon, there's your boom. You got 150 Panini points. So Anthony Gabaldon gets this. Congrats. That was it for Panini Prizm. 3 autos and the points, and that big stack of cards right there. We got 2 more baseball breaks I think we're looking to fill. We might have 1 spot left. And Topps Tribute. Athletics for $10. I lowered the price. No, we are full. So never mind. We're going to be breaking that soon. We see you guys then. Anthony autographs, hit cards. You can get cool stuff. Exchange-Panini America-net. I'll see you guys in a bit.